going to take a video of it because people tell me this cannot be done. Now here we go. We are installing the new coils on number 1 and 3 cylinders.
Hold on. She's in.
It's in.
Yep.
Alright, put the bolt in and tighten it up as high as you can with your hand.
Yep, that's definitely in there.
Cool.
There you go. I'm going to connect the wire.
Actually, we need to tighten that bolt up first, otherwise it gets in the way.
That's the wrong.
Dang, I hate the damn bugs out here in this damn country. Are you turning it the wrong way?
I don't think so. Maybe I am, actually.
Going down should be tightening it.
Yeah.
So it should ratchet when you
I thought
lift
that's
it
where it
back
was
up.
going, but I wasn't realizing, yeah.
Man, you cannot see good down in there.
Nope, can't. It's going slowly but surely.
They just need to be snug, not super tight.
I'm not even really putting any pressure on it yet.
Okay, now plug that one in.
That's in there.
Now we take the coil for number 1 cylinder.
Got this one?
Yep. Put that one in. This one should be a little easier to get to.
It is, kinda.
What?
This. You have to kind of bend your hand for right there to get it tight, and that's right there.
Man, it's too bad I waited so long to do this.
Why?
Because I would have still had time to go to the car wash. I ain't washed my car in a week, man. Starting, that's probably why it's running so bad.
I ain't washed my car since I owned it. So,
Why you guys didn't do the bearings?
how we're supposed to do that?
Bearings are easy. Tell me JHP don't have the tools to put bearings in?
I have no idea. They're there. They didn't really bring it up.
Is it tight?
Just got it snug, yeah.
Coil don't move, right?
Nope. They're both in there.
Alrighty. Now, put that hose back on and that ground strap. And we're all done.